It's a disease that starts off with a tiny little bite, but it can leave victims nearly paralyzed.
And tonight there's a growing controversy over just how to treat it. Rebecca Cooper is on your side with a look at the dangers of Lyme disease. Rebecca?
Well, Maureen, today there were Washington hearings in response to a lawsuit brought by Connecticut's Attorney General against the medical panel who determines guidelines for Lyme disease treatment. The most controversial issue, whether chronic Lyme disease exists and how it should be treated. Today, 3,000 green ribbons lining Wisconsin Avenue to raise awareness for Lyme disease victims like Jared Shea, now dependent on this machine to talk.
I am hoping to pop by the White House to have a beer with Obama.
Bit by a tick when he was an active 5-year-old, Jared's doctor told his parents his disabilities are the direct result of chronic Lyme disease.
He definitely would be a totally different young man today had he gotten treatment at age 5.
This Vienna mom couldn't walk or hold her own children until she found a Lyme expert who prescribed massive doses of antibiotics.
I went to many doctors, probably about 8 different doctors, over a period of 4 years before I was diagnosed properly.
Today, media cameras banned.
I'm terribly sorry. We're not allowing cameras in the room.
The hearing inside about the controversial Infectious Disease Society of America's guidelines saying massive antibiotics don't work and questioning the diagnosis.
Well, the problem is the IDSA guidelines actually say that chronic Lyme does not exist.
This Sterling family doctor is frustrated given the explosion of Lyme cases in our area.
In Loudoun County, where I practice, it is considered epidemic and endemic both.
Dr. Eugene Shapiro defends his committee's guidelines, denying charges guideline doctors are tainted by ties to insurance and pharmaceutical companies.
Whether any member of the panel gets $1,000 or $5,000 or $10,000 from something, the conclusion should be based on the science.
The most frustrating thing for the patients suffering with these debilitating symptoms, while the medical community continues this debate, some doctors believe the symptoms are in the patient's mind. But the Vienna mom I spoke to, she said that's ridiculous. And she was thrilled when she could finally walk again after antibiotics and finally hold her children. Reporting live, Rebecca Cooper, ABC 7 News.
And for more information on Lyme disease, including symptoms and treatments, go to WJLA.com and search under keyword Lyme.